Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, and now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class Junior 1. And dear students, this is your 10th class, and this is about word meaning English to Bangla 6 to 10 CW. Okay, dear students, you have also a homework number 6. Okay, so there is word meaning English to Bangla, then 6 to 10. Dear students, although you have to write these words meaning in Bengali, so you have to be very much careful in writing the Bengali terms, because in most of the cases I saw that you make great mistakes at the time of writing Bangla. Okay, so let's read out the whole 5 words. Number 6, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, means খরগোশ, খ র গয় ওকার তালবস্য, খরগোশ. Okay, number 7, top, T-O-P, top, means লাটিম, লয় আকার টয় রস্যি ম, লাটিম. Number 8, rainbow, R-A-I-N, rain, B-O-W, bow, rainbow, means র অনেকসার রং, ধ নয় রস্য নু, ধনু, rainbow, রংধনু. Number 9, B-O-A-T, boat, means নৌকা, নয় ঔকার কয়াকার. Dear students, it would be first of all write দন্তন্য, then a like this, then a like this, then কয়াকার. Okay, this is নৌকা. Okay, number 10, snacks, means হালকা খাবার, S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks, means হালকা, হয়াকার ল কয়াকার হালকা, খয়াকার বয়াকার র, হালকা খাবার. Dear students, I am repeating again. Number 6, rabbit, খরগোশ. Number 7, top, লাটিম. Number 8, rainbow, রংধনু. Number 9, boat, নৌকা. Number 10, snacks, হালকা খাবার. Dear students, you have homework number 6. It's about word meaning English to Bengali 6 to 10. That means all these are your homework for next Saturday. Dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope you all got understood today's class. Practice it by staying at home more and more. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.